Okay, let's go to an advanced fan and stagger, and I would call multiple launch position an advanced way to fan and stagger. So let's say we want to have a massive launch across a wide front and stagger that launch and fan it at the same time. Well, watch what way we would do that. Here's an example we've done with fan and stagger. They're all coming out of one launch position. Well, let's say we want to make something even more impressive by fanning that across the entire shoot site. So one way to do that would be to use the fan and stagger in the advanced mode. And let me show you. We're going to add some launch positions by Control L. So I'm going to put a few more launch positions on this shoot site. And then we're going to take the effects and add some more comets in there. So first I can just take and I'm going to move these effects. Instead of all coming out of one, I'm going to move them. And notice I'm not paying any attention as to what angle they are at this moment, because I'm going to be using multiple ways to create this effect. So as I'm driving, we need about 2 more comets. So I'm going to place my cursor here and I'm going to go grab another comet here, and I'm going to put me another one right here. Now, we've shown in previous examples on how to straighten all of these. So I'm going to first make sure these are all angled at the same using the straighten command. And now let's go after the fan and stagger. So what we would do is make sure we have everything highlighted that we want to fan and stagger. Then we're going to go to the edit menu and choose fan and stagger. And here's why I would call it advanced. We're going to fan this, or fan and stagger, from left to right, or we can choose right to left, center to outside, or outside to center. Well, let's first show left to right, which would be kind of similar to what we did from one position, and we're going to leave everything default. So let's just fan and stagger that. So notice how it makes a nice even kind of arc in the sky. And if we play this, you'll see a difference. Instead of it all coming out of one, it's coming out across the entire shoot site, which gives it one effect. So we can change this and go right back and select all of these items, and let's see what the different effects are. We can go back to fan and stagger, and we can change them from the left to the right. We can go from the right to the left. Well, that would just be the reverse of what we just saw. Let's try center to outside, meaning it's going to apply the change from the center first, and then they're going to move to the outsides. So let's play that. Totally different effect. And we can also apply the other one, which would make it let us go from outside to in. So I'm going to highlight each one of them again, and I'm going to check out, instead of it being center to outside, let's go outside center. And let's play that. That's what those commands can do for you.